Hey YouTube, it's your girl Rachel, and I'm coming by with a super quick video of a luxury purchase that I bought that seemed to be hard to find. If you're interested, please stay tuned. So the item that I purchased is from Louis Vuitton, and I have been on the hunt for this specific item, and for whatever reason it wasn't available, but when it popped up available, I jumped on it and I did my purchase. So this is the box that it came in. It has a cute little card. Nobody's name is in the card because it's for me, and this is indeed a true unboxing because I haven't worn it or anything or used it yet. Teeny tiny dust bag, Louis Vuitton. And I purchased myself a card holder. So I've been really into smaller items versus like big purses or handbags and whatnot. I just really lately I've been into smaller items, and this is going to come very handy. I do have wallets and things like that, but I need some extra space for my cards and something I can grab and go. So it has a slot in the front, as you can see right there, and a slot on the back, and a open slot. I'm sure I can fit, I wonder how many cards I can fit in here. We're gonna do a test. All right, so I basically have loaded the card holder to the max, in my opinion. On this side, I have my 3-picture ID. So I have my driver's license, my work ID, and my concealed carry permit. And on the other side, I have my debit card and 2 credit cards. And in the middle, I just put some money in there. Personally, that's a little bit too much. Like right now, because it's brand new, I'll be like forcing, you know what I'm saying, like to get my stuff out and barely be able to get this $5 out. Ooh, I never have cash, but I got $5 today. But yeah, or I might just use this to put like my medical cards, and I don't know, but it's gonna come really handy. Normally I carry my, I think this is the Clemens wallet. Normally I have this and it fits in just about all of my purses except for one. So this will work. You know, I can have both of these or just carry one, whichever I choose to do. But I'm really pleased with my purchase. I'm so happy that I was able to get it because it's definitely been hard to find. I actually even called Louis Vuitton to search for one in different locations, because you can kind of do that too, and we were unable to find one. And then I just gave up because I was just like, you know what, forget it. If it becomes available, it becomes available, and I will get it. If it's for me, it's for me. And obviously it was. So what do you guys think about small leather goods? Do you guys purchase them, or you just stick to the handbags, or you stick to neither? But I really feel like this is just a awesome purchase. We'll see how much I use it. I'm going to use it as much as I can, and I kind of wanted to start purchasing pieces that can transfer over to Micah, and this is something that he could actually use eventually if I want to give it to him, because you know, when you have daughters, they can get your bags, they can get your jewelry, but what do sons get? And he could actually carry this. Now this obviously is very feminine, but he could carry this, and I probably would end up giving this to him years down the line, or maybe I'll want something else, or I'll just be able to find another one and he can have it, but not yet. He ain't ready yet for that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. This was just a quick video of my recent luxury purchase, and I'm very pleased that I have bought this, and I can't wait to start using it. Check me out soon on my next video. Peace. And look who decided to make a little cameo. She just decided, say what's up, Bella Boo? Bella Boo. She said, hey YouTube. She said, bye YouTube.